What in the world is going on? Oh, Lord, they're making orange chicken. Orange slices with chicken breast microwaved, okay? Okay, then you put it in bread. And then you waste all the rest of the bread. All you need, okay. Now they're boiling the bread in orange juice. Lord have mercy. Yep. That's what's supposed to happen. Burn all of it, because why? Here you go, wasting good orange juice again. Orange juice, mayo, and ketchup? And soy sauce? And I'm assuming that's sugar. It could be salt. I don't know. What the heck? Oh, God, no. My stomach bubbling just watching this. That is disgusting. May the Lord be with you. And look at the uncooked pasta. Why did you stop the fire? Why didn't you just let the kitchen burn? You don't need to be in there doing all this. That's a waste of a good kitchen. Ugh.